Hello from Minsk.
So we continue in Belarus, Minsk. Belarus has about 10 million people. Minsk has about 2 million residents. And the country is a former Soviet bloc country, so has a lot of connections and ties with the former Soviet bloc countries. So we are in the center of the city. Enjoy this beautiful sight. So we'll continue walking through the back area where people live, inside the houses, not on the main street, slightly away. Car garages. This is a cathedral, Catholic cathedral, yes. Belarus is mostly Orthodox, Russian Orthodox, but they do have quite a few people that are Catholics. We are still in the center, but a little bit away from the glitz and the glamour of the main prospect or avenue. And this is just one of the side streets. You can see all the buildings that were built during the Soviet times. It is still here. They do remodel them every 50 years to kind of make sure that they look good and comfortable. So in general, if you want to buy a 2-bedroom apartment around this area, you can pay from $50,000 to about maybe $80,000. Now we are here in Minsk, Belarus, and we're gonna visit a Minsk apartment and have lunch.
Hello, welcome to my home. Welcome. Hello.
Hello. And here we are in an apartment in Minsk. So this is a hallway. It's a simple layout. This is used to be a typical Soviet apartment. This is a 3-bedroom, but Americans would call it a 2-bedroom because there is a living room. So we'll start the tour with the living room.
Let's go to the living room. Welcome. Hello.
So, hi. So this is the living room. Very simple setup, but it's remodeled, so it looks very nice and cozy.
This is my bedroom, please.
So it's a simple layout too, but very modern design. And you have a beautiful artwork. Thank you. And then what kind of view do you have of outside? You have the view of the street. And this is a kitchen. It's a little tiny, but it gets the job done. So we have a little tea and coffee with the sweets, as you can see. So, how is life in Belarus?
Fine. Что тебя интересует?
Как работа?
А работа устраивает. В свободное время его много. Люблю читать, смотрю кино, сериалы.
Американское кино или?
Да, Netflix или HBO.
So they have KFC here and McDonald's and Burger King. Everything is open and the price is actually very reasonable. So a cheeseburger that looks like chicken is 3.9, which is really about almost $2. So pretty cheap. So continue walking down the street here next to the farmers market. You can see this is public transportation. Public transportation is really big here. People generally use it that live in the city. This concludes our video from Minsk, Belarus. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you kind of got a better picture of this city and this country. And I hope you visit someday. It is very beautiful. It's very modern. It does have some Soviet remnants still, but it is very modern and very beautiful. So come visit.